These cakes have just come out of the oven, so they're very, very warm, and for the next 12 hours they need to cool down very slowly so that they stay as rich and dark as they possibly can. And that's the main reason for cooling a Christmas cake very slowly. Keeps it moist and keeps it really, really dark. So we showed you in an earlier video. They've come out of the oven, they've had their first drink of alcohol. We put the crowns back on them, and then what we're going to do, leaving them in the tin, is wrap them up and keep them warm so that they cool down overnight. So I won't touch these cakes again or wrap them or give them a drink until tomorrow. And during that time they cool down as slowly as possible. And this is called putting the cakes to bed. And we do this with all our cakes, so this is now 12 hours before we touch them.